Oh, what's up YouTube? Hope you're all doing well. I'm on my brand new Transition Patrol. It's the Carbon X01 build. This is my first like mountain ride on it. I've done a few trails, like very flat trails, just to kind of get the feel of the bike. But today I'm actually going to hit a mountain by myself. It's not a hard mountain. I'm very comfortable doing it by myself, which I don't recommend unless you are very comfortable. But so far, this bike has been climbing so good. Suspension's not locked out or anything. I haven't adjusted anything. I just started going uphill and it felt very good. I really like it. If you're new to my page, then welcome. If you're a return subscriber, then thanks for the support. Appreciate it. Sorry for the wind. It just got windy all of a sudden. But my previous video, I kind of talked about my bike and go over the components and things like that. I've only had it for about 3 weeks or so. So I figured today was the day where I finally hit a trail slash mountain and hit this little tabletop right here to see how it feels and see how I like it. So stay tuned, and again, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. All right, let's see how this tabletop feels. First jump on my 2020 Transition Patrol. Nice. Nice. Feels good. A little bit of noise in the brakes. Feels good so far. I apologize if there's a lot of wind. It's a very simple trail, I'd mentioned. I'm going to turn sharp, continue down through this way. Oh, I almost went down. Quick. Oh my god. I'm just about done. I'm gonna take a little break right here. Wow. This bike rides so fast. Oh my god. I just bombed down that hill right now. Granted it's not very big, but wow. I am impressed. Told you guys this is a quick trail, so I probably have about 20 seconds left of riding. Whew, all right. Forgot to wear my gloves too. All right, let's finish this out. Man, this bike is amazing. Almost went down again. Guess I should have let some air out of the tires. Wow, well, I mean, I don't know what else to say, you guys. I just rode down that mountain. going to be a very quick video. Hopefully you stuck around from beginning to end. If you guys are new to my page, then there's my 2020 Tacoma TRD Off-Road. Just purchased it in May, and I love it so far. It's been great for me. Whew, that was about a 4-minute ride, but I am sweating my butt off right now. I was going to show you guys my elbow pads and knee pads real quick. So I believe they're Cali Protectives. I know they're called Cali, but I think they're called Cali Protectives as well. So what I love about these is this right here really grips onto your arm. As you can see, mine are a little tight, so I've got a mark around, but they do not move, and they help very well. And I don't know if I would have gone up a size bigger, because you don't want these loose. You don't want them sliding down when you're riding or anything like that. And my arm, it's not irritated, like it goes away. It doesn't ever like give me a rash, which I thought they were gonna do when I first saw this. I thought for sure it's gonna be all swollen, but nope, it goes away pretty quick. I'm just gonna show you guys. Here's my bike pad, Dakine, purchased it off of Amazon. Link is down in the description as well for this. Very good, really like this. Backup camera opening right there, and it's like a microfiber on the inside. Really enjoy it. And there is my bike. This thing was an absolute monster going down that mountain. It was so quick. And then here are my knee pads. Same brand, Cali Protectives. What I really like about these, not only this part right here is very hard, it's kind of like a very tough rubber, is these side pieces too. So on both sides you have a little padding, and also right here. So it protects the side of your knee as well as the front. So that's really what stood out to me. Same thing, it's got the little liner right there that keeps them locked in place. And if you need to tighten them, there's that right there. So yeah, very impressed with the knee pads and elbow pads by Cali Protectives. All right, before I end this video, if you're new to the page, this little ending part's for you. Again, here's my brand new Tacoma TRD Off-Road. I installed the different grill, put some lights in there, smoked out the turn signals. I've added a different sticker in the back. I've debadged the bottoms and placed them with the TRD Off-Road badge. Videos for all that stuff is on this page, so if you're interested, go ahead and check those out. And yeah, purchased this a couple months ago and I love it. Definitely going to be some more modifications coming up soon, so if you're interested in my mountain biking videos and my Tacoma videos, please hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. And until then, hope you guys are staying healthy, and we'll see you for the next video. Take care.